One of the most common complaints I hear right now is about the lack of available skilled workers. Now, there's a lot of reasons this is the case, but I don't like to sit in the complaints section. I like to look at solutions. And I'm sure you'd like to hear some of the solutions I have brought to customers to help alleviate their troubles with the lack of skilled workers. Now, one area that I help them look at is the tools they're using on the job. There are finicky, manually adjusted, fine boring tools that are hard to read, and that increases the skill of the operator required to do so. However, if you look at a digital readout version of a high precision boring tool, then you're able to get someone with less skill to adjust it and keep your parts running smooth and passing QA inspection. But precision boring is not the only area feeling the hurt. Sometimes they don't have enough skilled workers that are able to change the height and length offsets of their tools. So something like changing jobber drills out all the time leads to a long bottleneck that they only have a few skilled guys to help with. So there's a couple options from here. We can look at solid carbide tools or indexable tooling that you can change that has minimal to no effect on the length offset. Now, of course, if you have an extremely high tolerance part, we look at different options and different solutions to suit your needs. Another problem that I hear all the time is that their high-skilled people are tied up too long on setups. Then I introduce them to zero-point work holding systems, something like the Shunk Vero S system as an example, which is top of the line, cream of the crop. Now, by introducing these new technologies, I can help alleviate the skill required. The important thing when working together is that I understand your needs. And then I can focus in on there and we can go project by project, part by part, or tool by tool to help you reach your goals and to relieve some of that stress off your shoulders so you can brush that monkey right off your back. Thanks for watching. As always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, send me a message, put a comment below. Let's talk.